Everyone, Billy Folks here with MarineMax Houston. Today I wanted to show you a 2024 Sea Ray 210 SPX. This boat was totally redesigned for this model year. As you can see, we got the big Sea Ray pill emblem. Just look at the hull. It's a beautiful hull. It feels like a really, really big boat being a 21 footer. Another one of the big changes is we do have the curved windshield on here. Then we moved the walk-through side from the port side over to the starboard side, and we put this standard stationary backrest in here on your sun pad. So let's go ahead and hop in. All right, guys, now we're inside the all-new 210 SPX from Sea Ray Boats. Of course, we optioned it with the tower. So some of the difference inside the boat, if you look at the sea deck, you kind of see designs in it which matches the stitching and the upholstery all throughout the boat. They took that kind of from the SLX series lineup, and which is their premium lineup, and brought it into the more entry-level boats that they carry. So it really sets Sea Ray apart from all other boat manufacturers. But inside the boat, there's plenty of storage throughout. We changed the helm on it, got a new Simrad display, a black acrylic dash, all your switches right where you need them. Of course, the Fusion stereo system, which we did upgrade with a subwoofer and an amplifier. Also, up front, we included the one of the packages that does come with the filler up there, and it does have an option that goes right in here that was included on this boat, and pretty much turns this entire area into a playpen up front. So again, guys, I'm really excited about this boat. It's a perfect boat for our area in the Galveston Bay or on Lake Conroe, Lake Livingston, Lake Houston, all the lakes here in Texas and great in Florida too, I'm sure, and everywhere else in the nation. So if you have any questions, come by and see us or give me a call. My number is 936-223-6770. Thank you.